Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our mission today to make a revision for the midterm for my dear students. I will start with rewrite radical, and actually I bring my hammer with me because maybe I will need it. For example, if I have this question, my dear student, if I have this question, radical of 90 here, and I check what the radicand or the number inside the radical, it is a 90. It is not a perfect square actually. So I will call my hammer actually and use it here and hit the 90 to see from where I get it. I figure out it is coming from 10 and 9. Yes, so I write here 9 multiply 10. Okay, then actually I check if one of them is a perfect square or not. Clearly the 9 is a perfect square, so I erase it and write 3 outside because I know that the 9 is come from 3 multiply 3. Okay, what about the 10 here? Actually the 10 is coming from 2 and 5, and the 2 and the 5 is a prime number, so I will stop in this point. Are you happy with that? Me too. Now, what if I have a radical of 90? Let me change the color because the life is black, already black. So let us color it. So it is 90 m with power 20, for example. Okay, how I can deal with this? Regarding to the 90, I know it is come from 3 outside and 10 inside, as we did before. But here, the newest here is the letter with the power here. Actually, easy peasy. Actually, look at the power and cut it half, and you're done, my dear student. And don't leave anything behind you. So I will write m with power 10 here. So it will be 3m with power 10, and this is the final answer. Are you happy with that? See, it was like this. The m with power 20. I erase it all. I will never ever left anything behind me and write here m with power 10, the half of the power. Are you happy with that? I hope so. But now Muhammad Nizar come and ask me, teacher, what if I have 21 and the 21 cannot be divided by 2? I will say to him, calm down, Muhammad, and everything will be good. Believe me. Now I will leave one m here actually, and keep this m with power 20. Are you happy with that? And erase this at all and write m with power 10 again. But what is the difference between 20 and 10? The different 21 leave one m behind it inside the radical, but the 20 leave nothing. Are you happy with that? I hope so. Uh, let us take one more example, my dear student. And please don't forget to remind me to use my hammer because I buy it now. What if I have like this equation? 100 here, yes, and 4 here. 20 here, and 8 here, and 7 here, and 10 here. What if you have this equation, my dear student? What you have to do? Don't cry, my dear student, please. It is not hard, my dear Faisal Al-Anizi. It is easy, believe me. So what we have to do? first of all, the easy part. This 10n with power 10, how many n I have down here? I have n or 10 n's, and up I have 7 n's. So I will cut or eliminate 7 n's from 10 n's that left to me n with power 3. Are you happy with that? And the same thing we do here. We have 20 m's up and 8 m's down, so I will cut the 8 m here. From here it will be 12. This is the first step. The second step, I know this is even power, so I will erase it and write m with power 6 outside. I will draw like this line and write m with power 6. Now, what's about this n with power 3? As I said to Muhammad Nizar, that the n with power 3, it is n with power 2 multiply n. Yes? And I will erase this and send n outside. Okay? What about the numbers here? It is 100 divided by 4. I know you know it is 25. But the 25 up because the big number is up. And the 25 is a perfect square coming from 5. So easily I can erase it and write 5 outside. And what left here is nothing, so that we write 1. So 1 over n is what remain inside the radical. Are you happy with that? I hope so. So this is all about 4, 3. Yes, but let me add something here, my dear student. What if I have a radical, for example, negative 16 here? What is the answer? Teacher, we know that from before, the radical of 16, it is give 4. But if I have a negative, you said we just add I, yes? I, yes, we add I, yes. So 4 from the 16, okay, and I from the negative side. So it is 4i. Are you happy with that? So if you have a negative sign inside the radical, your answer must have I, okay? This is all about rewriting radical, my dear student. I hope you understand my explanation, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.